Elliot just got done taking the ice off of the mirrors on the car because they were frozen. And now we're gonna go get something to eat because we're starving. We haven't ate since like 3 in the morning.
I haven't ate since like 3 days ago, so I'm dying.
Okay, so we just booked a couples massage for later on today. And right now we're on our way to the aquarium. So.
Yeah, and I'm trying to stay not blind and pay attention to the GPS while she's sitting here having a blast with the camera. I made it to the aquarium. I feel a whole lot better. I got some food in me. And I know we're gonna get a massage in a few hours. Boy, it's gonna feel good. And I can't wait to see this one react to it because she ticklish as hell. We finna go in here and I'm finna throw her in the tank. See if she get eaten by a shark. Shark gonna be full as fuck. Man, he's just having a blast, ain't he? Grab one. Stick your head in there. Inside the water now.
Look at that big fish right there.
Oh, look at this one, right on top. Oh yeah, right here, babe. Look, you can see it smiling at us.
These supposed to be some piranhas. Here.
You better
We're
know.
gonna see what these piranhas are about.
Elliot.
Straight punk that nigga in his own environment.
Riley, go back to the window. Go to the window.
Are you about to pee?
Oh, he's taking it down. Hold on, Emily. I'm just gonna take a picture of that. That's hilarious. That's dumb.
Oh, yeah. Like, let me stop. Did you get that on film?
Yeah. I got her saying, oh, it's a dump.
She's one of the oldest types of animals on the planet. Her kind were here before dinosaurs. She's asleep.
Now that urchin, try touching it on the body between the spines and hold your fingers still there for a while.
I just touched that.
You feel it moving?
I need me some stingrays one day as a pet. We found a stingray. Oh, oh. Oh, he's trying to eat me. He wants food. I think we're gonna get us one of these, what do you even call it? What do you call it? Caricatures? Hold on. I think we're gonna try to get us one of those. We've been meaning to get one, so I think we're gonna try it now. Depending on how long it takes. How long do you think it takes? 10 minutes. I think we're gonna do it.
Guys have a wonderful evening.
Alrighty, thank you, you too.
What's your name?
Patricia.
Patricia? Thank you, Patricia. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Patricia did a real good job. Did y'all see the way that looks?
Like, she did my necklace.
Dang! The detail in this thing is crazy.
She did use a shark.
I know she did a shark instead of my polo on my jacket. She did a shark. That's pretty cool, man. Honestly, people, they don't even look like me. She must have came up here and like with another guy and drew out something because that dude don't even look like me. I'm way more sexy than that picture, to be honest with you. I only, did the whole, oh, good job, Patricia, because she was right in front of me. That don't even look like me. Nah, I'm just joking. That looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. That's our first, what's it called? Characteristics? Whatever it's called. That looks good. I like it. Now we finna go hit up the Massage Envy and relax, and we're gonna get drunk first, and then we're gonna go over there and relax. Ain't that right? We lying, boy. right, we're sitting outside the massage place, and I had stopped and picked up a bottle of red wine, and we finna get lit. Diana really finna get lit. We finna feel good getting a massage. Diana, she ticklish as hell. I don't know how she gonna do it, but we finna find out. This shit gonna be funny. Oh my god, y'all, that massage was great. It was just amazing. I got the deep tissue. We're here getting something to eat now before we head back. Waiting on her. All right, that's it, y'all. We're done. For today, we're done. The massage was great though, and the food was good after we ate after we got the massage. And what was your favorite part of the massage? I'm not gonna show her because she's all like
My head.
your head.
Yes, because I had a headache.
She had a headache. Mine was probably the feet, but I got a deep tissue massage. She got like a Swedish massage. So we have 50 Shades of Grey on. That's why you hear all that. I mean, it ain't getting down like that. We just, it just so happened to be on the free television. But that's pretty much it for tonight. And tomorrow we're gonna try to make it out to the mountains, the Rocky Mountains, and Breckenridge. So yeah, that's it. Normally, you're supposed to exit the building, not record what's going on, but we about to leave anyways. Should we pack our stuff? Just in case it doesn't catch on fire? Nah, I don't know. Over.
I'm like, why did it get on fire?
But it's currently the next morning, and it is snowing like crazy. Look how big the snowflakes are. See that? It is bad. She said, false alarm. Hell no. That's crazy as hell. Y'all see that? They got them babies out here half naked and shit. That baby had no socks on. I don't care if there's a fire. The first thing this thing said was, stay calm. Exit to the nearest. Shit, people gotta listen. I'm staying calm. If I don't hear nobody screaming and running out, it's a fire! I'm not going nowhere. Nowhere fast at least. I need to put the water on my ears.
It is snowing so hard and it is so pretty.
Yep.
But this goofball is over here trying to do donuts or whatever.
Now, anytime there's water, or if the ground's wet, or if there's snow or anything, I just put my hand on this e-brake because I want to hit the shit out of a fishtail, you know what I'm saying? But that shit's fun, man. I'm not gonna hurt nothing. Ain't nobody gonna get hurt. I know how to drive. Man, we just literally almost got stuck. We sat like what, 15, 20, I mean like 10, 15 minutes trying to get out. Everybody was kind of stuck. And this itty bitty ass Kia got us out of there. It really is the driver. It's all about the driver. Just remember that. But we did. We got out. Now we going. And we gotta make sure. We're like 20 minutes away too. But it is bad out here. It is real bad. Y'all can see it. Look, show them how bad it is. But the thing is like, if you're going and you're driving, you can't slow down. And that's what these idiots' problem. They start slowing down, and before you know it, you can't get no traction. You just gotta coast your shit all the way through. We already seen people getting towed like back. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get back. I don't know how we're gonna get back. I need to put my seatbelt on. Damn, it's bad as hell. Can't see nothing. I gotta pump the brakes because you can't hit the brakes because it's gonna slide. And this is just a snowstorm. This ain't even a blizzard. Man, I don't know. That's some foggy ass shit. It's not even, I don't know. That's just crazy. shit. Oh.
Stop. Oh, bug, babe.
Thought I was gonna hit the moon.
Like, on.
Yeah, like I can't. Shit. I'm gonna read that. We got the Joy, the 15-minute one. This is what we look like. It's oxygen. So we can breathe. The way up here in the mountains, you need oxygen. Me and her both are having trouble breathing. Smells pretty good too.
Okay, so we went to the O2 lounge to get some oxygen because we were feeling really out of breath, and that
Short
helped.
breath.
Yeah, that helped.
Yeah, that helped
I
them.
guess for a little bit. I don't know. I still feel out of breath, but
They give you an option to do. They give you an option to do like 15, 30, or what was the other one? An hour or 45.
45.
And we did the 15-minute one, and you get to choose which. What is it? Aromatherapy. You get to choose.
Yeah.
There's like 4
What's
different
that?
ones, and we chose the Joy, and that helped. That helped a little bit. As soon as we walked out, though.